Hey there! Are you dealing with clogged ears? Don't worry, we've got your back. In this video, we'll provide you with the ultimate guide to earwax blockage relief. So let's dive in. First things first, what exactly is earwax? Well, it's the sticky substance produced by your ears to protect the delicate skin inside. However, sometimes it can build up and cause blockages, leading to discomfort and hearing issues. So how can you find relief? You have a few options. One common remedy is using over-the-counter ear drops. These drops can help soften the wax, making it easier to remove. Just follow the instructions carefully and consult your doctor if you have any concerns. Another method is irrigation. This involves flushing your ear with warm water using a bulb syringe or a special ear cleaning kit. But remember, proceed with caution and never use this method if you have a perforated eardrum or a history of ear infections. If none of these methods work, it's best to visit a healthcare professional or an ear specialist. They have the expertise to remove stubborn earwax safely and effectively. Prevention is always key. To avoid future blockages, here are a few tips. Avoid inserting objects into your ears, as this can push the wax further in. Instead, stick to gentle cleaning with a damp cloth. You can also try using mineral oil or baby oil to soften the wax naturally. And that's a wrap. We hope you found this guide helpful. Remember, if you're experiencing prolonged discomfort or loss of hearing, don't hesitate to seek medical advice. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos. Take care of those ears.